Okay, so what's up, guys? So this is Steve again, and we're gonna be doing another fishing vlog. And for today, we are just came out fresh from the office, and after this, so we have meeting together with a friend, an old friend. So magkikita kami mamaya ng old friend ko at saka yung teammate ko before sa StarTech. And yeah, that's actually we're gonna be meeting in La Paz, and we're gonna be buying some of our bait in La Paz. So after that, there's na kami din fishing. So let's go, guys. Alright, so guys, so yeah, again, so I haven't dismantled yet my rail and rod. So dismantle on the danay so that it will be handy when it comes to later. Okay. Set up or travel. Okay, so guys, off. So what I did is I just placed on electrical tape here. Electrical tape vanish by and then after this done, and let's go. Let's go fishing.
A few moments later.
Alright, so guys, so yeah, so we're here in Manilo Nina, and okay guys, so it's actually low tide right now, so but because trip lang may akong trip mo, so namunat naman kami liwat, and so we're gonna be checking if we could catch like just one or two fish here. Let's see what we can do, or let's hope for the best. So guys, so alright, so we're gonna set up our rods and reels. Okay, and there's my good friend, oh boy, B-boy and B-boy, and we are actually set up like 2 rods each. So we'll see if we could catch here. Actually, we have one time that we do fishing here, and one lucky guy has got like 3 kilos na bulgan around this corner as well. And yeah, good thing he caught one, but we have like we didn't caught anything. So well, that's okay. May hamon mo to. If we don't catch one, at least we enjoy. Alright. Okay. So we'll see if we can catch it. So sad to say we still don't have any budget yet for holder. That's okay. Alright. So as you can see, guys, there's a lot of actually anglers here. One there, Tatang, is also fishing, but rich kid siya. So he has a car and also like a stand. I don't know what kind of stand is that, but it's actually good because you can position your rails properly, and you don't need to place them anywhere that you can. And also it keeps your rod from scratches, something like that. So we are actually doing old school, so we don't have any budget yet. So that's it. All right. Okay. So here. Okay, so let's see later if we can catch one. Alright.
A few moments later.
Okay, so guys, so yeah, we're still here, and time check, it's already 8, and still no catch. So okay lang. Because it's low tide man eh. So we're not expecting to get one. So hopefully basi later we could catch one. So let's check, or let's hope. Okay. Right. So keep on the grupo. We have Sir James. Alright. Our good friend Leonardo. Left. Shot. Wala pa. Ay, so muli. Okay, so weather check. Cloudy with a chance of falling meatballs. That's alright. Medyo yun mga man. Pero it's okay. Hindi gawain. So alright. See you later. Alright.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so Mulye. So we have fish on. So ano guys? Alom. Yes. Alright. Pwede na videohan kay
Mayo lang nga kita ko ba?
Keda.
May tibay naman siya. Sana malagyan.
Kachansa. So na guys. So hindi mo siya kadakuan gid ako. Okay na. At least fish on. Okay. So muna guys. So nakachamba man ta at last. Iskan gamay lang pero may pang take home. So we have alright. So na guys. So alright. Mulye. Chamba. At least iskan paano okay na zero. Alright. So thank you so much again guys sa pag-watch ang akong video and hope to see you soon guys and please watch all my videos and thank you so much for watching Steve Loco channel. Have a great day. Happy fishing.